me. This is my bike check for 2017. I'm behind the camera. My friend ain't here to film, so yeah. Sorry if you can't hear me good. It's kind of windy, so let's get started. I have some Wheeler People aero grips. They're really good. They're comfy. I mean, I need to put some ODIs on them. I've been needing to get some ODIs, but it's as good as I can get right now. I don't know what kind of bows these are, so yeah. I got me a Salt brake lever with a Salt cable. I also got a Salt headset and derailleur. My frame is a Wheeler People Curse 20-inch. I got these forks. They're Wheeler People forks. I don't know the actual name for them, but I know they're Wheeler People forks. And these pegs are Salt tracer pegs. This hub, it's a Salt hub. I don't know what kind it is. My rims, they're Salt Valon rims. They're really good. They stand up to whatever I do and all my riding. So yeah. My tires, they're Salt tracer tires. They are hold on, 2.35. So yeah, they're good tires. They're cushy. Alright, so moving in on kind of the middle. Oh, I forgot my stem. Sorry. I got a Salt. Hold on. I got a Salt stem. It's a Salt. Yeah, I don't even know what kind of stem it is. It's 50 millimeters. It rides pretty smooth. It's good. So you know. Alright. So for my pedals, I got me some Acraw Surge pedals. They're really good. I need to get some new ones, but you know, it's really good grip. The pins, I've had them for at least like a month, and they're really good. So my cranks are Salt cranks. I don't know the actual name. And my sprocket. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna move over here so you guys can see this better. Sorry, but just kind of. Alright, that's better. I got a Salt 25 tooth sprocket. It's nice, I can go fast. For my back brake, I got a Salt Plus mono lever. For my back hub, by the way, both hubs are sealed, so don't ask that in the comments. I got a Salt tracer hub in the back. My chain is a Salt, it doesn't have a name, but it's a Salt. And same tires in the back. Oh, my seat. Oh shit, I can't forget my seat. My seat is a Wheeler People seat. It's really nice, and it rides pretty good. I like it. It's good for my bottom. I got a Salt clamp, and I also got me a Salt seat post. That's all pretty good. So yeah. My bottom bracket, I actually do not even know what kind of bottom bracket it is. It's my headset. I already said my headset. Sorry, guys. Alright. Thanks for watching my bike check. Tune in for more content. Like, subscribe, comment. Please. I appreciate it, guys.